tutorial is about how to bake chocolate cake using LaStevia's chocolate cake mix. It is 0 sugar 100% natural sweetener. Mrs. Arti Shroff, famous baker in Coimbatore, is trying out LaStevia's chocolate cake mix. The chocolate cake mix box consists of 115 grams of cake sweetener, 160 grams of cake mix and 125 grams of chocolate cake icing. For the making of the chocolate cake, we need 1 egg, 110 ml buttermilk, 60 ml vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 110 ml of hot water. Preheat oven on 180 degrees Celsius. For the preparation, take a bowl and pour 60 ml of vegetable oil, add an egg and a teaspoon of vanilla essence in it. Whisk using handheld beater or stand mixer and blend well for 20 seconds. Pour the 110 ml buttermilk and beat again for another 20 seconds. Now add 115 grams of LaStevia cake sweetener and 160 grams of LaStevia cake mix. Finally, pour the 110 ml of hot water onto the mix and whisk or beat thoroughly until the batter is homogeneous. Apply some vegetable oil or butter to the base and sides of the baking pan of your choice. Also, adding butter paper to the base of the pan helps release cake easily. Pour the LaStevia chocolate cake batter to the baking pan. Place the baking pan into the preheated oven. Bake it for 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. While the cake is being baked, we can do the preparation for the LaStevia chocolate icing. For this, you need 1.5 tablespoons of heavy cream, 100 grams of softened butter, some salt to taste, half teaspoon of vanilla essence and LaStevia's icing pack. In a bowl, add 100 grams of softened butter and beat or whisk well for 2 minutes. Add the LaStevia's 125 grams of icing mix along with 1.5 tablespoons of heavy cream. Also, add some salt to taste and half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Whisk or beat well for 1.5 minutes until it is creamy consistency. To make sure the cake is baked, insert a toothpick in the middle of the cake and check if any batter is stuck to the toothpick. Once the cake is cooled down, transfer it into the serving plate or tray. Spread the icing on the cake evenly. Finally, add some chocolate chips or grated chocolate over the cake. And voila! Our LaStevia's 0 sugar 100% naturally sweetened chocolate cake is ready to be served.
The chocolate cake looks delicious. Anyone can bake LaStevia's chocolate cake mix. Just remember, it is 0 sugar 100% natural sweetener.